Hello, this is Mike Tossett with DSI, and we're at Dakota Cat in West Fargo looking at the ARC Legend mirror with the camera system built in. It has front and rear facing cameras, 1080p, 12-inch touchscreen, Sony built-in image sensing, and a direct Wi-Fi control so you can download the videos from the mirror to your phone and share them with your friends. It has 8 programmable switches, so we can run other auxiliary things so you don't have to put a bunch of switches in the dash of your machine. It's IP67 waterproof rated and shockproof rated, and it has a 1-year limited warranty. So we have 8 programmable switches built into this mirror, and we're going to push a couple and let you see how they work. This is for the front light bar. Right now we can do some underglow. We got lighting up inside of the cab, and we got lighting down on the bottom of the vehicle. We also have lighting. Here we have our chase lights.